Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Tamiya TT-01 Type E chassis, and this is going to be part 8. We're going to be working on steps 20, 21, and 22. So let's jump right into it, and we're going to need parts from a few trees here. So we're going to need both of these B1s. And we also need both of these D11s. Those should be these right here. And if you were not using ball bearings, you would need all four of these, because there's two trees. You would need these rings as well. I'm going to be substituting them with these ball bearings. So let's start right here with the MB2 step screw. And I'm just going to make sure, I'm pretty sure it's these darker ones. Yep. Okay. And let's see, these look like they're definitely not symmetrical. You can see this side curves down and this side is straight across. So this side would be oriented like this. And then this piece, the steering arm itself, is going to go here. And always want to make sure you still have free range of motion. Okay. And let's do the same on the other side. Again, this curved side is opposite where this arm is going to be. We're good. So now we're going to push those rings in there. Again, I'm using ball bearings. It should just snap right in. It should be really easy. Just like that. And we're done with step 20. And then we're going to skip a little bit and go to the bumper. So this is the front of the chassis, opposite side of the motor. So we're going to be adding the bumper to the front. And this foam bumper is just going to sit in here like that. Really straightforward. And the bumper mount is going to be this piece right here. And we're going to just put this facing down. And we're going to use two MA3 screws. And it's going to be this inside hole right here. Alright, and the last part, we're going to attach these steering arms. First step is to screw in these, it's just called a screw. The screw without a head. So it's going to be these guys. And this is usually a 1.5 millimeter. Yep. Okay. And we're going to screw it in until there's 5 millimeters exposed. And let me bring in my caliper. .5.0, so I'm good. Let's do the other side. Okay. And then we're going to put these steering posts, and we're just going to screw these on. It is threaded, so all you have to do is just kind of twist them on. Then we're going to put these guys on here. Like that. And we're going to connect the upright here to this arm using these black step screws again. And we're going to be connecting it to this outer hole. So we'll just line that up. Repeat for this side. And that's it. So we worked on steps 20, 21, and 22 in this video. In the next one, we're going to start working on the electronics, and we're going to start with the servo. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.